students, let's start our class. Now this is your GK class and our today's topic is community helpers. Community helpers. Okay, in this class we are going to learn about community helpers. COMMUNITY, community helpers. HELPERS, helpers, community helpers. Now community helpers are people who live and work with us. Okay, they work for our communities. Okay, community helpers are people who live and work for our communities. Okay, now let's see who are the people of community helpers. Let's see. Now our first community helper is doctor. Okay, doctor is our community helper. Why? Because doctor take care of people's health by giving checkups and helping sick and injured patients. Okay, some doctors work at hospitals and do operations on people. Doctors wear a long white coat so that they don't get germs. Okay, doctor, 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 doctor. Okay, now doctor is very helpful for our community. Why? Because doctor take care of people health. Okay, doctor take care of people's health. How? By giving checkups and helping sick or injured patient. Okay, doctor helps by giving checkups and helping sick or injured patients. Okay, now some of the doctors work at hospital and do operation on people. Okay, doctor also do operation on people. Okay, now how doctor look? Doctor wear long white coat, say they don't get germs. Okay, doctor wear long white coat so that they don't get germs. Okay, next our helper is dentist. Dentist, DENTIST, dentist. Now how dentist is helpful for our community? Let's see. A dentist uses tools like a toothbrush and a special light. Okay, a dentist uses tools like toothbrush and a special light. He wears gloves and a white coat, a mask and magnifying glasses. Okay, dentist clean germs and fix cavities on your teeth. Okay. Now dentist is helpful for people. Okay. How? By cleaning the germs and fix the cavities on our teeth. Okay. Dentist uses tools like toothbrush and a special light. Okay. And how they look? When they treat, when they check up the patient, how they wear gloves, they wear white coat, and they wear masks and magnifying glasses while checking. Okay. Now this how dentists are helpful for our communities. Okay. Next is nurse. Nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Okay. A nurse helps people when they are sick or hurt. Nurses wear white uniforms. Okay. They administer injections and medicines. Okay. Now nurse also helps our community. How? Nurse helps people when they are sick or hurt. Okay. And nurse wears white uniforms. Okay. They administer injections and medicines. Okay. Next is police officer. Police officer. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police officer. O-F-F-I-C-E-R. Officer. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police officer. O-F-F-I-C-E-R. Officer. Okay. Now police officers, how they help us? They work to keep us safe. They work to keep us safe. They stop fights. Okay. They stop fights. They wear uniforms. They wear uniforms. They carry guns and handcuffs. Okay. They carry guns and handcuffs. They put bad people in the jail. They put bad people in the jail. Okay. See how police officers are helpful for our community. Okay. They keep us safe. Okay. They work to keep us safe. They stop fights. They wear uniforms. They carry guns and handcuffs. Okay. They put bad people in the jail. That's how they are help us. Okay. Next is traffic policeman. Traffic policeman. T-R-A-F-F-I-C. Traffic policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. T-R-A-F-F-I-C. Traffic policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Traffic policeman. A traffic police officer helps the people to be safe on the road. Okay, traffic police officer helps the people to be safe on the road. Okay, he also gives speeding tickets when a car is speeding. Okay, a traffic police officer helps the people to be safe on the road. Okay, he also gives speeding tickets when a car is speeding. Okay, now next our community helper is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Okay, a farmer grows food for us. Okay, a farmer grows food for us like rice, wheat, vegetables, fruits, etc. Okay, a farmer grows food for us like rice, wheat, vegetables, fruit, etc. Okay, without farmer can we get food? No, right? So see how farmers are helpful for our communities. Okay, without farmer we will not get any food. Okay, we get food because only because of farmers. Why? Because they grow food for us. Okay, they grow rice, they grow wheat, they grow vegetables and fruits. Okay, so we are getting our food with the help of farmers. Okay, so farmers are very helpful for our community. Okay, next is vegetable vendor. Vegetable vendor. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable vendor. V-E-N-D-O-R, vendor. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable vendor. V-E-N-D-O-R, vendor. A vegetable vendor sells vegetables. Okay, a vegetable vendor sells vegetables. Sometimes he also sells fruits. Okay, sometimes he also sells fruits. Now farmers, they grow fruits and vegetables, but they did not sell the fruits and vegetables into the market. Okay, now from the farmers, these vegetable vendors bring the vegetables and fruits and sell to us. That's how we get fruits and vegetables. Okay, so they are also helpful for our community. Okay, if they will not sell these fruits and vegetables, then how we will get direct from farmers? Okay, so they are also helpful for us. Okay, next is gardener. Gardener. Okay, G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Okay, gardeners work in gardens. Okay, They grow plants. They water them and tend to them with loving care. They use tools like watering can, rakes and shovels. Okay, there would be no flowers without them. Okay, now gardeners work in gardens. They grow plants, they water them and tend them with loving care. Okay, they use tools like watering cans, rakes, shovels. Okay, there would be no flower without them. Okay, now when we go to the garden, why? To relax, to roam, right? And we see so many beautiful flowers. Okay, so this flower, who grow? The gardener grow these flowers. Okay, and when we see that so many beautiful flowers only because of them. So gardeners are also helpful for our community. Carpenter. 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 Carpenters use wood to build things. Okay, carpenters use wood to build things. They use hand tools such as hammers and screwdrivers. Okay, they also use electronic tools such as power drills. Okay, carpenters use wood to build things. Okay, they use hand tools such as hammers and screwdrivers. Okay, they also use electronic tools such as power drill. Okay, next our community helper is electrician. Okay, electrician. 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 Okay, Electrician. Electrician. Okay, now an electrician works with electricity. Okay, he works with wires and electrical appliances like fan, lights, TV, fridge, etc. Okay, see, without electrician, can we get electricity in our house? No. Okay, so electrician also very helpful for our community. Okay, without electricity we cannot use television, we cannot use our fridge. Okay, our house will be dark. So with the help of this electrician we are getting lights. Okay, they works with wires and electrical appliance like fan, lights, TV, fridge. Okay, next helper is plumber. 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 Now plumbers fixes pipes in buildings. Plumbers fixes pipes in buildings. Plumbers fixes sink, toilets and bathtubs. Plumber fix pipes that leak. Okay. Plumbers fixes pipes in buildings. Plumber fixes sink, toilet and bathtub. Plumber fix pipes that leak. Okay. Now in our house, if there is leaking the pipe, then the water all will come inside the house. Okay. So with the help of plumber, we can fix the leak. Okay. We can fix the leak of pipes. Okay. So plumbers are also helpful for us. Okay. Next helper is barber. Okay. Next helper is barber. B-A-R-B-E-R. B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. A barber helps us to manage our hair. Okay. A barber helps us to manage our hairs. He gives us a haircut, styles and dresses our hair for us. Okay. A barber helps us to manage our hair. He gives us a haircut, styles and dresses our hair for us. Okay. See, barbers are also helpful for us. Okay. Why? Because we all are living in a community. Okay. And without them we cannot get things. Okay. We cannot. If barber will cut our hairs, we are look good. Okay. So barber are also helpful for our community. Next helper is tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. A tailor sews or stitches new clothes for us. He uses a measuring tape, scissors and a sewing machine for sewing clothes. Okay. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Now tailor is helpful for us. Why? Because they stitches new clothes for us. Okay. They stitches new clothes for the community. Okay. They use measuring tape. Okay. Scissors and sewing machine for sewing clothes. Okay. Now our next helper is cobbler. Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. A cobbler mend our shoes. Okay. A cobbler mend our shoes. He uses a shoe horn and needle and thread for this. Okay. A cobbler mend our shoes. He uses a shoe horn and needle and thread for this. Okay. Now our next helper is sweeper. Sweeper. S W E P E R. Sweeper. S W E P E R. Sweeper. A sweeper helps us to keep our schools, society clean. Okay, he uses a broom to sweep waste, leaves, dust and etc. Okay, see how sweepers are helpful for our community. Okay, sweeper help us to keep our society clean. Okay, sweeper help us to keep our school clean. Okay, now he use a broom. Okay, he uses a broom to sweep waste. Okay, to sweep waste and to sweep leaves that fall, okay, from the trees. They sweep leaves, they sweep dust, okay, to clean our society. Okay, so these sweepers are also very helpful for our community. So sweepers are the helper of our community. Our next helper is teacher. T E A C H E R. Teacher. T E A C H E R. Teacher. Teachers teaches children reading, writing and spelling. Okay, teachers uses pens, chalk, blackboard and books. Okay, so teachers are also helpful for our community. Why? Because teacher teaches children how to read, how to write and how to spell the spellings. Okay, how to spell, how, which letter call what, how, you know, with the help of teachers, right? So teachers are also very helpful for our community. Okay, without teacher we don't know the things which are good and which are bad. Okay, so teachers are very helpful for our community. Okay, and teacher uses pen, chalks, blackboard and books in the school to teach the children. Okay, next our helper is firefighter. Firefighter. F-I-R-E. Firefighter. F-I-G-H-T-E-R. Fighter. F-I-R-E. Firefighter. F-I-G-H-T-E-R. Fighter. Firefighter. Okay, Firefighters are also helpful for our community. Okay, firefighters fight fires. Okay, firefighter fight fires. They wear protective clothing. They wear protective clothing. They help our community by saving people from dangerous fire. Okay, they help our community by saving people from dangerous fires. They have a big hose to put our giant fires. Okay, so see how these firefighters are also helpful for our community. They help our community by saving people from dangerous fire. Okay, they save people from giant fires. Okay, so they are also helpful for our community. So firefighter is our community helper. Next helper is postman. P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman, P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. Postman delivers important letters and cards to people. Okay, a postman delivers important letters and cards to people. They wear a uniform and carry mail in a bag. Okay, this postman also wear a uniform. Okay, they wear a uniform and postman carry mail in a bag. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of a postman. You can see how this postman is wearing uniform and carrying a bag. Okay, in this bag they carry the letters. Okay, the mails they are carrying in this bag. Okay, so these postmen are also helpful for our community. Okay, they deliver the important letter from one place to another. Okay, they post important letters and cards to people. Okay, now next is a painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. They are painters. Okay, look at this picture. They are painters who know how to paint a house. Okay, painters know how to paint a house. They have tools like brushes and rollers to paint a house, to paint a school buildings, etc. Okay, now we all have house, right? And we like different color in our house. Okay, so can you think that how this color we get in our house? Only because of these painters. painter help us to give our house a color. Okay, they paint our house. Okay, the painter helps to paint our house to look beautiful. Okay, they know how to paint a house. They have tools like brushes and rollers. With the help of brushes and rollers, they paint our house. They paint all the buildings. Okay, so painters are also helpful. So students, these are our today's class, that is community helpers. Today we have learned about community helpers. What is community helpers? Okay, community helpers are people who live and work for our communities. Okay, and community helpers are like doctor, dentist, nurse, police officer, traffic policeman, farmers, vegetable vendors, gardeners, carpenters, electrician, plumbers, barber, tailor, cobbler, sweeper, teacher, firefighter, postman and painter. Okay, so these all peoples are community helpers. Okay, they help our community. Okay, so students, hope you all learn today's topic, okay, about community helpers. You all know about the helpers who help for our community. Okay, so let's stop here for today. Please students, study well. These all chapters are in your books. Try to read by yourself. Okay, so please, thank you for watching this video. Okay, bye bye.